Making moves, no time to lose. Gotta show 'em what we all about. Don't know about you, but I know about me. And boy, I got no.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first lesson, well actually it's the second lesson, on the intro to WordPress, and I'm going to be covering posts today. Once you log in, you have your dashboard. You can actually, make posts here. You can edit your front page, you can add additional pages, view your site, you can create a quick post here, but I'm going to show you the regular way to post. Over here on the left, you go to Posts and click on Add New. And as an example, we're going to say it's my birthday. It's not actually my birthday, but we're just going to say that. So you're going to start with a post title. Today is my birthday. And I want to show you a few different things. First of all, this is your editor box. Most times it will show up like this when you first log in. This last button right here is what we call the kitchen sink. You click that and all the other options show up for your editor. So let's type something real quick. Whoops. Okay. I actually am 37, but... and I can't type. Let's see some things that might happen in this post. Okay, we are going to start with titles, headings. I'm sorry, not titles. The title is the very top. And it's usually a good idea to make a title case. I always forget about that and have to go back and redo it later. The title case is simply the first letter of every single word capitalized. Even the connectors like is, and, for it, etc. Okay, this is a heading. Here in your format menu, you can choose paragraph, address, pre-formatted, or heading sizes. There are many different sizes of headings, and each one, gives it a different look. Generally, I like to use the largest headings for the main ideas. The second heading here, excuse me, for subsections, and then heading 3 for adding emphasis to something without actually making it a huge heading. And I personally don't use 4, 5, and 6, but it's up to you if you would like to. And if you would hold on just a moment. Okay, I apologize for that. Some things. Okay, we were just at the headings. That's what we were doing. Also, you can create lists. We'll combine this. We will do bold, italic, underline, whoop, I can't spell either, underline, and strikeout. Now you can highlight these and you can create either a bulleted list with the bullets to the left or a numbered list. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the word bold, bold, the word italic, italic, the word underline, underline, and the word strikeout, you guessed it, strikeout. Now what you can also do is add links. When you add a link, for example, you can link it to wherever you like. I'm going to link it to Google here just as an example. I want to open it in a new window. You don't have to, it's up to you. And add link. So you can add links to external, which means does not come from your site, or internal links. In this case, I'm going to click this link button and link it to my Hello World post, which came pre-installed with WordPress. That's what you call an internal link, linking to something that's already in your site. Now, if you have a mistake that you made a link and you decide you don't want to link it, or you want to change the link, once it is linked to something, we'll just say whatever.com. If you want to remove that link, you simply highlight the word and click the break link button here, or the unlink as they call it. Now, on your page, if you decide to have a page of posts that's shorter, that doesn't show a humongously long page of posts and showing, you know, the entirety of every post, what you can do is you can add 2 or 3 lines. For instance, right here, I'm going to add a more symbol, or the more tag. So what that means is when you show the preview, it's only going to show this part of the post, and people will have to click on more to see the rest. And let's just save this as a draft, and we will preview it so you can see what I'm talking about. There's not enough posts right now for that more to take effect, so we will go back to our site. It seems something went wrong. Okay, I will pause this, find out the problem, and continue in a moment. Okay, as it turns out, it was a problem at the hosting company. So I've logged back in, and I am now going back to all posts. And as I showed you yesterday in the first video, the post menu gives you a list of the posts that you are currently working on. You can see today is my birthday. That's the post we're working on right now, and it is a draft. It has not been published yet. So I'm going to click on Edit, and as I said, the more tag is not working because we don't have enough posts to shorten for the site for WordPress to automatically shorten your page. And let's go, what's next here? The remove formatting. What this can do is remove any formatting you have applied to your typing. So it removes the bold, the italic, the underline. Strikeout is not actually considered formatting, that's why it does not remove it. You can also center, left justify, or right justify different each line. Excuse me. There is distraction-free writing mode, but basically what that does is it takes up almost the entire page for you to write your post. You have undo and redo buttons here if you made a mistake or you want to redo something. Your indent and your outdent for actual spacing on the page itself in your post. And that seems to be, oh, let me add one other thing. For the purpose of this post and this training post, I have downloaded a picture. So what I'm going to do is upload that picture in my media library, and we get to that by clicking Add Media right here in your post. Click on Upload Files, and then select a file from your computer. Once it's uploaded, you can give it a title, a caption, alternate text, and a description. And that's useful for search engine content. Being search engine friendly. Hold on just a moment. Okay guys, I'm really sorry for all the interruptions here. But to continue, we were inserting an image into the post. Now, most times, I do not link an image to things. It just depends on what you're posting. If you're posting something that's meant to be a link, or that you want to link to a different site or to a different post on your site, or if you maybe want to link directly to your profile page, these are different ways, different things that you can do. And for this example, I'm not going to link it to anything. I'm simply going to insert it into the post. And I'm going to save my draft and preview it again. And this is how the post ends up looking. Now with your theme, it may end up looking a little bit different, such as fonts and spacing and things like that. Excuse me, hiccups now. So this is, like I said, this is what the post looks like. You can leave comments, or your readers can leave comments as well. You can answer them or reply to them. And once you are satisfied with your post, all you have to do is simply click on Publish. Now once you've published a post, it is visible to the public. I also want to mention here, you can have categories. I'm going to add a new category and call it Training Video Posts, because these are posts that I'm making during the video training. So you check each box you want that post to be included in. The reason we do that is because different templates and different setups, depending on how you have your site organized, if somebody clicks on training video posts, then it will show only the posts that are in that category in your post list. And you can use as many categories as you'd like. You can add tags. How to make your first post in WordPress. Now that one is really long, but people will search for that on Google. How to post instructions for WordPress. And these are just some examples. These tags will show up in the search engine, or be seen by the search engine so that it can index your site correctly. You can add featured images, which in this case I will use this motivational picture here. Set it as the featured. And anytime you make any changes at all, go ahead and click on Update. And then you can come back over here on the left to All Posts. And again, your post shows up in the list. Here's your tags, your category. It gives you a basic synopsis. And that's pretty much all there is to posting. So hang in there. Keep playing with it. Make sure that you take notes if you need to help you during the writing of your posts. And if you need any other help, just wait for the next video, or you can send me an email or an instant message and ask me.
Making moves, no time to lose. Gotta show 'em what we all about. Don't know about you, but I know about me. And boy, I got